Okay, hello, welcome to the channel. My name's Jake, and we're doing a truck camper RV remodel in 16 days. Ask me how it's going. It ain't. Oh no, I put my scraper right in the sap. I need something to scrape sap off. I need something to scrape. What am I doing up here? I'm trying to fix a camper. Oh no, I got sap on my hands. Sap on my hand, I don't like sap. Sap's all over the place. Okay, I'm gonna lose it.
So what are you working on right now, babe?
I gotta take off these hood vents, these roof caps, these ventilation shafts.
Okay, now I don't have you in the frame. Okay, well, this is an interesting decision.
It's a crock shot. Well, up here, I am doing my best to scrape off this century-old sealant so I can get these hatches out, put our AC in, and it's proving a little difficult. And I put my scraper in the sap again. I'm having a great time. Hello! And then you can see the sap that I keep putting my scraper in. A big old pile of it. It's terrible.
Okay, back in the camper.
Back in the camper you go.
Done a piece without you guys yesterday. Sorry.
We installed brand new butcher block countertops.
No, we did not install new butcher block countertops. But
obviously we did.
I mean, it looks like we did. We used peel and stick. This is not permanent. Don't worry.
Or
what?
This is one of those things that we could say it's not permanent.
Yeah.
But if it holds up.
No, there's no way.
Or like, oh, we're just gonna deal with it. That's fine.
No.
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 Okay.
We are not keeping this peel and stick. This is just so this first trip feels a little bit more put together. We just don't have enough time to truly get a butcher block. We want to get a new sink. We have no idea what's going to happen with the stove oven situation because it doesn't seem like it's too hopeful.
Oh, yeah.
It's not too hopeful on us bringing it back to life. For the meantime, to feel like this place is more put together for our first road trip, we put some peel and stick in just to make us feel like we're, you know, getting all those missing touches. So,
man, I'd say it does the trick. I think it looked real good.
Unfortunately, you guys aren't able to see because we literally did this in the dead of night. It's not perfect, but it's good enough, I think.
I mean, it's gonna look perfect
with
like, the sink in it.
Yeah.
And with the stove on it, then it's gonna hide all the little spots that didn't look good.
It's 95% perfect.
We tried the soapy water method, but since this is $8 wrap, the backing
on Amazon, $8. Really good deal, but
this stuff just absorbs the water and it just comes apart in pieces on it. It's terrible.
Yeah.
But if you get a high quality one, it usually comes with more of like a wax paper.
Mm-hmm.
So you can do the soapy water method and squeegee it all out and have it stick that way so you can adjust it while you're doing it.
We needed one person to basically hold and peel while the other person was squeegeeing. That seemed to be the best trick. Definitely get a good squeegee and everything online. I'll also link that down below, the pieces that we got. So if you guys want to do this too, we will show where we got it.
And now it's not an affiliate link.
No, we are not getting
any kickbacks.
We're not getting any kickbacks. And I would warn you, I don't know if Jake could sit back for just a second. There's a spot that Jake may have.
I just pressed the squeegee a little too hard.
Yeah. So when you are using the squeegee, just don't press too hard or else you're going to ruin this.
At least with this cheap
design.
stuff.
Yeah. Yeah. You guys always see us working and struggling and don't see behind the scenes of how exhausted we are. Working on a cab over is exhausting. And we're right up to the end here. You know, this is our last week, last weekend, really. So crunch time, but we got this, and we got people coming to help us. So we're gonna get through. Any last words, Jake?
If you don't hear from us, then help.
Okay, first tiles on, and I feel like it looks pretty good. Okay, so I just got finished putting in these stick-on tiles, and I feel like they came out pretty good. Sorry guys, I didn't catch it on video. I had many meltdowns in this process and trying to put this together, and it was very, very challenging. So I'm saving you from having to watch my meltdowns. But I am just finishing up. There's just a few little pieces here on the corners that I need to add a few more pieces. So I'm going to show you just my last minute touches, and then I will be done. This is the last piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm counting just to do a little bit of time on it because I just put super glue on it. Okay.
The last piece?
Last piece.
That's your celebration for it? Woo! That's your last piece!
Yeah.
No more hexagons!
I know.
All done.
I
No
know.
more. See hexagons everywhere I go.
So, you guys would never believe how long it took me to do this.
It was like 2 hours, right?
No.
5?
No.
6.
2 full days. Full days, guys. From sunrise to sundown, I was working on the cab over.
But look at it.
Yeah.
It's amazing. You did that. This
Thanks.
is yours.
So it's not perfect, and for anyone who is working on these, yeah, there's mistakes. They might be hidden a little bit. Yeah.
Good job, Ups.
Thanks.
Oh wait, we didn't give the scale of 1 out of 10. Would you recommend this people do?
There's a chance that I didn't know what I was doing with these, and they could have been a lot faster. Perhaps I did it completely wrong, and that's why it took me so long. If 10 was the most difficult, I'd say this is like a high 7.
10's like, do not attempt.
10 is I'm pissed off and I'm gonna burn the cab over down. So I think 7's pretty high.
I guess that 7 would be an average then, because there are some 10s and there are some 1s.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's an average 7.
But yeah, I would say this wall over here that's the most flat was probably the easiest.
Yes.
And then this wall and these corners were corners from hell.
Corners from hell. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Damn right.
This took me 2 packets, and each packet had 10 pieces in it, and I almost used all of them. Like, I actually used all of the actual sheets, and I used all of the scrap to get a lot of these different small pieces, but overall, I think it turned out pretty decent. So these last few days, we have been really burnt out and just really wanting to get things done. I'm trying to extend a little bit of that butcher block. I had to get a second roll on Amazon. I laid it right over the top just like this, cut it to size with a razor blade, and then I cut this trim piece in a way that goes the opposite way of the grain going this way, just to kind of give it this good lip. And as you guys can see, I'm just slowly wrapping it around the edge of this countertop. So I'm also leaving a very thin line on the top just to give a really clean look at the end, and I'm going to give you guys a closer look once I finish it. You know, there's a few times that I feel like I'm making bubbles on here, and then I put the squeegee over it, and I swear it takes it right out. And it's so satisfying and relieving. All right, just like that, we're done. Everything's going, guys.
It's going. Today has been a very relaxing day painting. Just touching everything up. However, I will say, anytime I try to touch up something green, then I touch it with white. And then every time I try to touch up something white, I then touch it to where it's supposed to be green. And so I feel like I'm kind of chasing my tail. But at some point, it'll be the perfect lines everywhere of paint in this place.
Yes, I believe in you, Kate. Jake.
Oh, tell them about what you found out there.
Sap.
And
Oh, there was more mud daubers in our breather tube for our black tank. Yep, more mud daubers. I actually clogged it.
Dang.
Luckily, it only went like 3 inches in, like solidly mud dauberness, but I cleared it out, so we're all good now.
So Jake and I both got this wallpaper from Amazon. It was about $20. We can link it down below. We thought it was really pretty, and it's gonna match our interior quite a bit. We got a new curtain track. We got it on Amazon. It was kind of tricky finding one that was small enough and one that I could put towards the wall rather than the ceiling. And I wanted one that had some screws in it because there are some that had an adhesive backing, but I just know how hot these campers get, and I don't want it getting overheated and just peeling right off. So we got one that has some screws in it, and I hope it does the trick. It is the right size. We will attach below the link to finding one of these. We got it from Amazon. They weren't that cheap, but I feel like this is a good one, and we'll see how it is.
I think I have a box of prettier ones of those.
Okay.
I'll trade spaces with you.
Okay.
Trading spaces.
So what I will say is that basically the screws that come with this are really long. So if you get these for your camper, do not use these screws. They will probably come right through that wall. And when we took down the pre-existing curtain rod, they had really small screws. So we're gonna try to mimic that just so we don't poke holes in the wall.
Well, that was a doozy. That was the first part of Chaos End.
Yes.
And there is Chaos End Part 2 that will get a lot of the finishing touches in there.
Yeah.
We're just gonna get that. We're gonna get it out. And yes, stay tuned for that one. I think we actually have the opportunity to knock a couple things off this list, at least on Cheyenne's side.
Well, technically, we did, in essence, check them off. We just haven't yet checked them off with you guys.
Yeah. Cover bugs.
So what do we got here? I got prime paint done.
Prime paint. Ooh, that's exciting.
Am I getting checks?
You're doing fill, I'm doing checks, so. Alright, we can mix it up, it's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, check that out. Done.
Wallpaper,
Flooring,
yes.
Wallpaper.
Backsplash,
Backsplash. Yes,
yes.
the nightmare of backsplash.
Yes. No more hex columns.
Yeah. That'll do sink
stove, hardware, solar.
hardware.
Secret, yes.
Secret.
So you guys know from the last video that I was able to get those cushion covers on, and that was the secret.
That was
too.
the secret. And then my side, like I said, Chaos Part 2 you'll see. But I can at least do this one right here. Jacks are done.
It looks like a lot, but Jake really does get a lot done in this next video we're putting
Somehow.
out.
Well, the rest of this is like, yeah.
Somehow all that's getting done in one video.
Uh-huh.
Well, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching us. Again, if you haven't already, please like, subscribe. We have so many more things in store for you guys, so if you stick with us, you'll see where we end up.
Alright, we'll catch you on the next one. We're YouTube famous. Give me a smile. I need to see if it's right in the camera. Perfect. Exactly what I was looking for.